Alright guys, so here's a walk around of my 1974 Toyota Celica ST, silver, black interior, 5-speed manual converted. It was originally automatic. So a few highlights on the car. Still has original Toyota inner sealed beam headlights. I have 71, 72 turn signals in the bottom and the TRD front lip. The original valance and turn signals are going to be included. There's a rock chip on the hood. Got it from towing from Long Beach. Car did not come with wheels when I got it, so those are some 15x7 zero offset BTO Le Mans. The wheels are period correct from the 70s, 60s and 70s in modern sizing. On the inside, car has original door panels, front and rear door cards. Has original carpet. There's the AC unit. Original headliner. The seats are from Grant Donaldson. These is the original style of the wheels. The seats. I sent him photos, and it was a 6-month wait. So this is the factory style. I did have him add the logo on the front of the headrest, because factory they were only installed on the rear. Dash pad, glove box cover were redone by justdashes.com. The inner sail panels are from T3. They are aluminum. The original plastic ones are hard to find, and when you find them, they are brittle. There is a cover for the rear deck to protect the top of the rear seats. This is a rare piece of this cover. If you have the earlier lap belts, that's where the buckles will sit, but later ones got a cover. These are 71 to 73 Celica Script, Celica Dragon. This is also 71 to 73. 74 had a different design. There's a scratch there. It is driven, so it's picked up some rock chips. It is trailered to Long Beach, however, for Toyota Fest and JCCS. Correct trunk badge. Correct original ST badge. It had an automatic there, but since I converted it to manual, I installed a 5-speed badge. There's the trunk. Toolkit, as you can see, is very clean. That's what came with the car. I did not buy that toolkit. So, same thing with the jack. I don't know what happened to the original tool, but I found this replacement and I will clean that up before the new owner picks it up. It is registered to 2021, just never installed the sticker. I don't know how well this is going to show on the camera, but there is paint cracking right up here. It is a one-key car, so doors, ignition, trunk, glove box, and locking gas cap all use one key. Most of these cars you will find that there's a separate key for the locking gas cap. Original mirror for this would be correct for 71 to 74, 75 as well. Alright, so clock works. I do unplug the battery so that it doesn't drain, but yes, clock works. That is the automatic center for the console. I haven't found a manual transmission center for this car yet. That is the radio that came with the car. It is not hooked up. The heater and the AC are all here, but they are not hooked up. The fan does work, so if you pull this lever, you'll see the fan go through, I believe, 3 or 4 different speeds. TRD shift knob because it was originally automatic. Car shows 71,300 and change miles. The speedo is fast. When you're on the freeway at 75 miles per hour, GPS is at 65 miles per hour. So it is reading fast. So mileage is higher than it should be. Our odometer. Car comes with the front and rear stainless trim, as well as the rocker panel trim. It's got a rebuilt brake booster from Brake Exchange. T3 converted front struts. Has 3 25-pound springs in the front, 1 75-pound black racing springs in the back that were cut to height. Brand new Toyota battery, bought it either January or February of this year. The carburetor still has the original tag on it. I did not add that on there. That is how this engine came when I bought the car. Coil radiator. Again, I have all the AC components for the car. There's a couple of pieces that still need to be installed, but again, they come with the car. And sorry, there you go. There is a quick walk around of the '74 Toyota Celica ST.